Sure, sir.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So Santosh and Vivek, can you open your camera? Give me your feedback.
Sure, sir.
So first of all, Santosh ji, how about the today's session? What you learn?
So how to use LMS, sir? Initially only I asked when we start the day one session. I like to I would like to learn these complex things. So today, while you explain, I understand a bit more. So I will try the scenario to pass the multiple input parameters and to the child component. And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, initially I have tried when I created a message channel inside the LWC route. So now
Mm-hmm.
it should be created outside the channel,
So
outside
your
the.
concept is clear. How does work LMS? How to pass data? How
Clear,
to
sir.
create a folder structure?
Yeah, yeah. Structure I have clear now, but
Clear.
I need to
So
practice multiple
yeah.
scenarios.
So please try from your side. If
Actually,
you
what
create,
happening?
yeah,
So
if you creating it from your side, then your confidence level will build.
yes, yes, sir. Actually,
So
what is?
that I create today, I create only one input field.
Yes, sir.
Process will same, but you need to pass data multiple field input field.
Yes,
This is
yes.
this is only a small task.
Like
If
yeah.
you do
Actually,
it
what
from your
happening?
side, then your confidence level will build.
Actually, what happening here in my project? Multiple tasks are assigned
Okay.
to me,
Yeah, try from
and
your side.
yeah.
Okay. Try from your side. If any kind of confusion, not clarity, not able to do how to pass data, I will help you from tomorrow.
Yeah, okay, sir. I mean, I will practice this. Upcoming May 1st. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, if I not complete tomorrow, I will definitely connect with you on May 1st.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
because holiday on that day. So that's
Mm-hmm. Yeah, send me a screenshot when
yeah,
you are stucking.
yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let me go to Vivek.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for understanding.
Hi, sir.
Could you open your camera? Yes. Hi Vivek.
Hello,
How are
sir.
you? So
Doing
what
good, sir.
was how was today's session? What you learn?
Sir, it was good. I mean, I got the concept of using LMS for publisher communication between unrelated components. So I want to ask, like, PubSub and LMS are same. It's just that now these days we are using LMS instead of these PubSub, right, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
Understood.
Function level are different. Calling how to call data are different. Both are different. But PubSub it is a old standard. LMS is a latest standard. It is advanced version.
Understood, sir.
So please try from your side to how to pass multiple input value from one component to another component. If any kind of stuff, I will help you from tomorrow. But first of all, you need to try from your side so that your confidence level clear.
Sure,
So
sir.
if you keep practice every day, at least half an hour, 2 hours each and every day, you keep practice every day. If you regularly practice every day, then practice will build your confidence. And if you build your confidence, then confidence will give you success. So
Yes,
practice
sir.
is a key. Practice is a key to get success.
Right, sir.
Okay. So thank you for joining
Thank you, sir.
for the
So
today
the
class.
tomorrow's session will be on.
Tomorrow we'll cover some important topic. Let's.
Uh,
I will tell you tomorrow.
okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.